Plastic. Set of 4 small white plastic storage bins. Phthalate and BPA free. Sturdy plastic construction, bins are waterproof and can be stacked. Do not use in very hot water. Perfectly sized as replacement bins for humble crew storage organizers. Bin dimensions: 12 width by 9 depth by 6 height. Durable, sturdy and easy to clean. Great for organizing toys, crafts, art supplies, books, clothes, diapers, office supplies, toiletries, cleaning supplies, pet supplies and more. For ages 3 years and up. Top reviews from the United States. Great quality. These replacement bins are great replacements. We use them all over the house to store kids' toys, not just on their toy shelf. They're sturdy and hold a lot of toys.